sometimes I just have a thought and I want to pass it along to you. So that's why I pull out the camera. This is not highly edited in any way. It's just my thoughts I want to pass along to you if you're thinking about gardening. And this is something that I have a thought about, and I've thought about this quite a bit. If you're thinking about gardening, especially for the very first time, what's your motivation? Why are you wanting to garden? Is it something you're just wanting to try as a hobby? Is it something that you're thinking about doing because it's some supplemental food, extra organic, healthy food for your family? Or is it something that's kind of all of the above? You want to start a new hobby. It's got the benefits of some vegetables. It's organic and you're getting exercise. And the answer is yes to all of those. That's exactly what gardening is. But for you, it may be just something where, hey, I'm spending time outside, sunshine, vitamin D, I'm growing things. A bonus is if I grow a few extra vegetables that are good for my family, great. Or I really want to grow enough to take down my grocery bill, raise enough for my family that it's actually lowering the cost of the things I have to buy. Great idea. Or I'm doing this because it's really something where I'm outside, I'm moving, I'm getting exercise, and I enjoy doing that. Great idea. Wherever you decide to put your garden, and again, I'm going to tell even those of you who are watching this that may live in a duplex, a apartment complex, and you just have a small area or a little balcony, remember how many things can be grown in containers. Especially if you've got a south-facing balcony and you're in the northern hemisphere like the United States, you're going to get a lot of that sunshine during the day. And there's many plants that will do well with that amount of sunlight. Tomatoes, you can do some cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, things like that. You could grow right there in a container. So my thought is, and the reason I pulled out the camera to record this, is to say you absolutely can do it. And I have a couple of videos you can go back and look, and where I talk about seeds. I will put those in my end here at the end. When you see the videos, I'll put those in about seeds, where to purchase seeds. But let me tell you this, wherever you get your seeds, they're probably going to do well. I don't always suggest just getting them when you go to the grocery store. Sometimes this time of year, they'll have that little spinny thing you can walk over and pick out. They may be fine, but not the best place to get seeds because they could be older from last year. If you can order from a reputable place online, or if there's a place near you that sells good seeds, again, try to get organic base seeds, try to get compost that is organic certified. And again, the thing I'll remind you, doesn't take a lot of space, doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of expense to do all this. Again, a 10 by 10 little garden in the corner of your backyard will produce a lot of food. It's incredible how much it will produce. So that's my thought. Whatever your thinking is for starting your garden, just do it. Just try it. It's not hard. Clear out that space. We have many videos you can go back and check out. We talk about how to clear out your space, minimal tillage, no-till. It's going to work perfectly for you. And if you make a few mistakes the first year, no big deal. You've learned something about it and you'll get better at it the next season. In fact, not only will you get better next season, you can get better this fall, because depending on where you live, in a large part of the United States, you can have that secondary garden that starts midsummer, August, and goes all the way till the first frost, or even a little after the first frost. So don't think just spring. You can grow things almost year round, depending on where you live. So thanks for checking out our channel. We always appreciate it when you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notification. We appreciate that very much. And we're always going to have a couple of videos on the screen you can click on, take you further down the process. We've got now, I think, over 400 videos that you can reference for gardening. And we try to keep it as simple as possible. Again, blessings over you, your family, your garden. We know you're going to do great. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.